In this question, we've got a equation that we need to solve. So we've got t to the power of 2 on 3 plus t to the power of 1 on 3 minus 6 equals 0. So they've given us a little trick that's going to really help us out. They've said let m equal t to the power of 1/3. Okay, so why don't we just substitute that into that equation and see what happens. So we've got a t3 here and we've got a t to the 2 on 3 here. So let's just rewrite that t to the 2 on 3 as t to the 1 on 3 all squared. So if we remember our index laws, if you have a power, something to the power, and then all of it to the power again, it's just the same as multiplying them. So a third times a 2 is just the 2/3 we had. And then we're just going to have t to the third minus 6 equals 0. So let's substitute m in. So we get m squared plus m minus 6 equals 0. Okay, so now we're just going to factorize that. So I'm a fan of the cross method. So I know I need to get a plus m. So if I have a 3 and a 2, that's really going to help me out because they're only apart by 1. Now it's a positive m, so I'm going to make the bigger one positive and that one negative, right? So 3m minus 2m gives you m. So that's going to be our answer. So m plus 3, m minus 2 equals 0. M is either -3 or 2. Now, before you forget, what we're actually trying to solve for is t. Now, t is a third, so we're going to have to resubstitute that in. So we're going to say t, stick with blue, why not? T to a third is equal to -3. That's this part, that bit there. So we'll solve that first. So what we can do is we can take cube both sides. So if we cube both sides, put it to the power of 3, like that, that's just going to become t. And this here, 3 to the 3, pretty sure that's just 27. And we keep the negative because odd powers doesn't do anything to the negative. So t is equal to -27. That's one option. Now let's do the other option, which is m equals 2. So t to the third is equal to 2. Again, we can just cube both sides to get rid of that power of a third. We get 2. 2 cubed is 8. And then those are our two answers. So it's good practice to write them together. So we get t is equal to -27, 8. And that there is the answer.
Snack is an online platform to instantly create and share videos just like this one. To watch more or try a hand at making your own, head over to snackapp.io.